Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Dodge Durango. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power moonroof, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.